How do I get rid of vertical lip lines? Vertical lip lines are actually quite difficult to completely get rid of. And it depends on how deep they are and how long they've been there. These little, what we call smoker's lines, even though the majority of the people I see have never smoked a day in their life, but they have these little lip lines, is more related to volume loss, and it's more related to sun exposure. Because it's somewhere that's dynamic, that we always move, it's hard to make these completely gone. My favorite thing to do for vertical lip lines is CO2 laser. This resurfaces the skin and you can get the best result. So some of the finer lines, the ones that aren't as deep, you can get rid of. And some of the deeper ones you make a whole lot better. You can combine this, or instead of doing the CO2, you can do a very fine filler that you inject into each little line. This makes it better. It makes it softer, not as noticeable. And if you combine the CO2 with the filler, then you get an even better result. Or if you're maybe not thinking you want to do the CO2 and just want to try out the filler, you can do that as well. It's hard to make them 100% gone, but you can make them a lot better. Why do I have vertical lines on my lips? This is usually because of sun exposure and volume loss and just the way that you move your mouth. Some people are a little bit more expressive. You may not have as much volume in your lips as you did when you were younger, which causes these vertical lines around our lips. You can have vertical lines in the lips themselves. This is also an issue of volume loss. They used to be more full, and then over time they're not quite as full, and you have these lines as things sort of deflate, as you will. You can fill the lips to a point that's very natural. The problem you get to is when people are trying to fill these lines and make the lines gone, and then you overfill the lips or you overfill the area around the lips, and then that's when you get these really strange appearing lips or that whole area. So don't ever fill to where they're gone, but where they're softer and better and look natural. How do you get rid of vertical lip lines naturally? This is difficult. Hydration helps. Not using straws helps. Staying out of the sun, using sunscreen help prevent the vertical lip lines. You can use things like papaya, that's a natural resurfacing agent. Skincare works really well also. What is the best procedure for upper lip lines? My favorite procedure for upper lip lines is the CO2 laser. This resurfaces the skin and helps grow new skin, and so any lines that are fine or not that deep will be gone or pretty close to gone, and the deeper ones will be a whole lot better. This also stimulates collagen significantly, and so over the 6 months after having the procedure, you will see things get better. Have questions? Schedule a consultation today at drangela.sturm.com. Thanks for watching.